Welcome to another video in your Analytics Mastery course. In this video, we are going to have a look at audiences inside Audience Report. This particular section might look a little bit confusing because it is called audiences, but it is inside the audience section. So what is the difference between the data that is shown in the overview and inside audiences? So audiences as a general rule is created for paid advertising purposes. Earlier, you were able to create different type of audiences inside your AdWords account. So if you have gone through my Facebook Ads Mastery course, you know that you can create different types of audiences using the Facebook Pixel. You have something like saved audience, lookalike audience, and different types of audiences inside Facebook. So similarly, inside AdWords, we have different types of audience. How to create a good target audience for your advertising campaigns is something that we will cover in the AdWords Mastery course specifically, but I just want to show you the different types of audiences available inside AdWords. So you have remarketing audiences and then you have custom audiences. Inside remarketing audiences, you have 4 different types, which is website visitors, app users, YouTube users, and customer list. And inside custom audiences, you have custom affinity audience and then you have custom intent audience. So to create these audiences, you need to link your YouTube account and your Analytics account to your AdWords account, and that will help you create audience. But Analytics also helps you create audience for advertising purposes and publish it to AdWords. And while you are publishing it to AdWords, you will also be able to publish it back to your Analytics account. So to do that, you have to go ahead and click on admin section. Inside the admin section, select the right account, select the right property, and select audience definitions. And inside audience definitions, click audiences. So you can see that I have went ahead and already created different types of audiences for my advertising and analytics purposes. I will show you how to create a new audience. So click on new audience. And if you have not done this yet, you need to do this step before you will see some data inside the audiences report. So here you have different types of features. You can even go ahead and create an audience based on people who have visited certain pages. So let's say I want to create an audience of only the people who have visited this specific page on my site, which is top digital marketing training courses and institutes in India. And if I want to just create an audience out of them, I will be able to segment them. So here you can see users over the last 7 days is 780, and I can extend the membership duration as well. So 30 days is the membership duration, which means that Analytics is going to take all the people who have visited this particular page in the past 30 days. And this is the past 7 days users, which means 30 days will be approximately 4 times out of this. You can also have a value like 90 days, which I recommend. Go ahead and target people who have at least visited your site in the past 3 months. The maximum number you can give here is 540. And in Facebook, if you remember, the maximum number you can have for creating a pixel audience is 180 days, which is 6 months. Here we are able to get 1.5 years. So if you give an audience name, then you can go ahead and publish this audience to your AdWords and Analytics account. So to give you an example, you can see here that I can add different destinations. So Deepak Pixel Track AdWords account is one destination and Analytics is one destination. So go ahead and create a custom audience here and publish it to your own Analytics account and wait for 2 days before the data comes in. So let me go back and look at audiences. So here you can see I have created an audience called returning visitors, and this I created on May 29th. And returning visitors is a segment of all the people who are returning to my site for the second time. And you can see that this particular audience has been published both to AdWords and Analytics. So let me go back to the audience report. And here you will be able to see some data coming in. And I can go ahead and select returning visitors, which is the audience I have created. And I can see data which is specific to this particular segment. And I will be able to see their acquisition channels. I will be able to even go ahead and get secondary dimensions such as age. Like for example, if I go ahead and select age and channel as 2 dimensions, and if I click on, let's say, average session duration, and if I want to find out the cohort of users who are having the maximum session duration on my site, then I can select these 2 dimensions and I can select on average session duration, and you will be able to see here that people coming from organic search in the age group of 35 to 44 are having the maximum session duration. I can go ahead and filter them based on browsers as well. So let's see. If I do this particular type of segmentation, you can see people who are visiting from organic search and they are using the Firefox browser. They are having the maximum pages per session, they are having the maximum session duration, and they are having the lowest bounce rate. So this kind of data you will be able to see for the specific audiences you have created, because sometimes the audience that you create for advertising purposes is going to be a much more valuable and targeted audience than the people who are coming to your site all the time. Like for example, if you click on overview, you can see that on average per day I am getting more than 1000 visitors, but this is a very broad set of audience and there is very little I can do by going ahead and looking at the data for this kind of a broad audience. I will not be able to make any data driven decisions, which the audiences report solves it for me. It gives me data specific to the audiences I have created. So when we learn the AdWords Mastery course, or if you have already subscribed to the AdWords Mastery course, the different types of audience creation and how to create an audience for the most effective type of paid advertising is going to be covered in that, and I have covered each and every type of remarketing audience, how to create them, and I have covered every type of custom audience, which is custom affinity audience and custom intent audience. I hope this video helped you understand what audiences mean inside the audience section. As soon as you click this section, you will not be finding any data within this section because you have not published any audiences. So go to the admin section, go to your property, click on audience definition, audiences, go ahead and click on new audience and first publish an audience and wait for a few days before the data gets populated here, so that you can look at metrics and data specific to the audience that you have created. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below and I will see you in the next video.